Alright, new adventure today. Today is who?
So, me and I are going and find a kite.
Yeah. when when the kite cut. So we go and see if we find it. Alright, when I walk in front. Hey, you are the machete. Let me see you climb a big tree for that kite. Oh, it's on the ground. Oh, it's right there. Oh, so we're just gonna walk over to it and I ready to pick it up. It's done much to it. It's right here. Wow. Wow. So that's a kite we kind of lost that kite last night. We left it flying and the wind was really strong.
You coming turn?
So your string and my kite tie up
Look so.
and your kite goes where? So is your kite got my kite. Pull it now. It's a big old pear tree. Alright, so we got it. So I think we're gonna fix it up and I'll let you know what happened in a few. Out for now. Well, let's see. Let's see what happens before I go out. Let's see how when they're gonna hang that big kite. Alright. Out. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah, we're heading home now to repair these kites, put them back in the air. Yeah, so ready to put up, we'll let you know, guys know, okay? Put up anyway.
Hey guys, our dinner there. I'm making more fun. Yeah. Science we go get.
And technology.